Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how Zeely'S video ad editing tools can help marketers create compelling ads more efficiently and effectively. Zeely offers a powerful suite of video editing features designed specifically for marketers who want to produce professional-looking ads without needing advanced skills. With Zeely, you can easily transform your product photos, clips, and text into eye-catching video ads optimized for social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The app provides customizable templates that are pre-designed with marketing best practices in mind. These templates include engaging animations, text overlays, and calls to action that grab viewers' attention quickly. You can easily swap images, adjust text, and change colors to match your brand style in just a few clicks. One standout feature of Zeely'S video editor is its AI-powered enhancements. The tool can automatically optimize video length, transitions, and effects based on your target platform's specifications, helping your ads perform better. This means you spend less time guessing what works and more time creating. Zeely also supports seamless integration with your e-commerce store, pulling product info directly into your video ads. This reduces manual work and ensures consistency between your store and your ads. Plus, the app allows easy exporting and scheduling of your videos, so you can launch campaigns faster. By using Zeely'S video ad editing tools, marketers can save time, reduce costs, and create more engaging ads that drive sales. Whether you're new to video marketing or an experienced pro, Zeely provides intuitive tools that simplify the ad creation process. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.